The Milgram experiments on compliance were some of the most widely replicated psychological experiments ever done, but there is a little known fact about them that I think you will find fascinating. At least I did. Participants in the Milgram psychological experiment were asked to give another person electric shocks each time that they got an answer wrong. The participants turned up the voltage on the shocks with prompting from an authority figure who insisted that they must go on to deliver more and more painful shocks to the learner behind a glass barrier. So when an authority figure, and by authority figure I mean a random white dude in a lab coat who acted very confident, told them to do it, the subject complied. But then Milgram changed little parts of the experiment to test which factors could consistently increase the noncompliance rates. It turns out that participants also refused to deliver the shocks if the learner said that he wanted to be shocked, because that's masochistic and the participants loathed to think of themselves as sadistic. The study demonstrated with statistical significance that humans would rather engage in non-consensual evil than get involved in some consensual weird shit. And I think that is very interesting. I think that it implies an invisible mental model in our heads that we associate compliance with moral goodness. When the learner actually wanted to be shocked, it feels less like compliance and more like weird stuff. Even though technically that too is compliance, the human brain seemed to put that situation in a different category in our heads. So, am I the only person who finds that fact very interesting? So, if you want more research backed methods on resisting authority figures, please subscribe.